nigga invest all the time. I got all this money on my mind.
What is good, everyone? It's DSG Panther here. Today we are going to be installing some side skirts and also the F1 brake light on my Polo GTI 6C DSG. I also want you guys' opinion on the silver caps. So I actually sprayed my wind mirror caps silver. I actually think they look pretty cool. It's kind of like a Golf R vibe. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. We are going to come around to the back, and in here we have the maxed in side skirts, which are going to be going on today. These are used. I bought these from a good friend, Alex. Shout out to Alex, he gave me a good deal on these. These are on his 6R. And then down here we're going to have the rain light on the middle diffuser. Shout out to Josh, because he's going to be doing it for me today. And if you do want to buy the rain light, I will drop the website link in the description if you guys do want to buy this specific rain light. Yeah, that is what we're going to be doing today. Car's looking fresh. Let's get on the motorway and let's head to Josh's and install the new look. Okay, we have now arrived at Josh's. We've taken the lights out, we've taken everything out in the boot. Literally, as you can see, everything is on the floor right here. Then all you need to do is bolt on the F1 light to the rear diffuser, and then you're ready to go. And then you just got to wire it from underneath the car all the way into the boot and then into the fog light, which is the purple switch, which you will see on the right headlight. And as you can see, this is the wiring bit. Really simple. Ask Josh if you need any help with the F1 light. Should I just turn it on or just?
Yeah, set it on.
Is it not? It doesn't say check fog light anymore. Huh? It doesn't say check fog light anymore. Okay, everyone, we are now home. As you can see, the Polo GTI is behind me. So we've now installed the F1 light and my maxed in side skirts. Massive shout out to Josh for fitting it all. He didn't film too much because it was quite annoying process to put this on. So I'm going to talk through it on how to fit one. If you do want to watch a proper tutorial, go onto his TikTok. I'll leave his Insta and socials here and below, where you can go and buy the F1 light, the one that we've got. Ours is tinted. But yeah, let's go and have a look at the F1 light, and I'll take you guys through how to install it the way that I saw how to do it. But as I said, if you do want to watch a proper video, it's literally on his TikTok, or you can just go on his website and you can see how to do it. So as you guys can see, there is the F1 light. So this is the tinted F1 style light. As you can see, it's got quite a dark tint to it. Let's turn it on actually quickly. So I'll turn it on. Mine is been mapped or coded to be the fog light, so it's going to turn like that. Two pulls out, close the door. But yeah, mine has been coded to be the fog light. You guys can see there's the normal fog light. Here's my F1 style fog light. Honestly, it looks so good. It's not too bright, which is what I wanted. I didn't want it to be a brake light because I feel like it's a bit too bait with police, etc. and stuff like that. But yeah, that is the F1 brake light all fitted up. So the way you want to fit it, of course, is take one fin off. So you want to take these things off. They literally just screw under there. They just screw it on these fins. So you just take the middle one out, drill this on, as you can see behind, wire it around, and you can actually go under the car. And then you literally want to come into this side here. This is the right side, and then you just literally put it into number 5, which is the purple switch, and that makes it turn into a fog light. So it's not too hard. You will also have to take all the flooring out, and then this plastic bit, so you can wire the cable below and into the F1 light. That is literally all it is. As I said, any questions, DM Josh on Instagram and he can help you fit it. And you can also watch his tutorial on Instagram and TikTok. And then as we come around here, these are the maxed in side skirts. They look pretty cool. They're not too loud, they're quite subtle. Shout out to Alex. They were on his 6R. He gave them to me for a very good price, so shout out to Alex for that. But yeah, honestly, I think these look really cool. And then this is the right side, well, left side to you, but right side to me. But yeah, they look really cool. They just kind of set it off. And I have also sprayed my center caps in black, and also sprayed my wind mirrors in like a silvery metallic silver, just to kind of give it a Golf R Mark 7.5 vibe. I really like it, or the Mark 7, same thing, you know what I mean. But yeah, honestly, I am loving this car. It's pretty much perfect for me. Blacked out, murdered. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this little video on the F1 style light. I haven't seen any Polos do a video on it. As I said, just quickly, if you do want to see how to install it, there's a full TikTok tutorial on Josh's page. This was just me going to get it done because I'm not doing it myself, because I'm not an electrician. He is, so if you do want it installed and you're in London, Kent area, he can do it for you, maybe a little bit up north. But yeah, massive shout out to Josh. Got the F1 light now on and it looks the bollocks, honestly. But yeah, so that has been DSG Panther, me. If you want to follow me on Instagram, about time I shout myself out, DSG Panther and _ DSG Panther on TikTok. We are so close to 2,000 subscribers. Let's hit it. The last video on the induction kit went mental, so hopefully this one can go well. But yeah, that has been the F1 light. If you do want to buy it, link in the description. I'm not getting any affiliate with it, I'm just shouting out a mate. So yeah, but yeah, we'll get into some cinematics of it and then I'll end the video. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.